In this video on setting up a WordPress using Azure Marketplace, let's start by exploring the Azure Marketplace. First, log into your Azure portal and from the home dashboard, navigate to the all resources and click on it. Now, you will move to the Azure Marketplace by selecting create a resource at the top. Now we are moved to our Azure Marketplace, and as you can see over here, the virtual machines, web app, SQL database, function app, and etc. Now I will search in the search bar, so I will type WordPress and hit enter. And scroll down until you see the Bitnami package for the WordPress. As you can see over here, now I will click on the create button to open or select the Bitnami package for WordPress. After selecting the Bitnami package, you will be redirected to the Azure Virtual Machine creation page. Here is what you need to do. In the basic section, select an existing resource group or create a new one if you don't have one. So I will select the resource group, then scroll down and enter a virtual name. For example, I will type WordPress VM, and after that choose your preferred regions. I will be set as default. Then scroll down and select the availability option to no infrastructure redundancy required. Then scroll down, we select no infrastructure redundancy required because we don't need high redundancy for this setup. You will be notice the disk image is pre-selected as the Bitnami package, as you can see over here for the WordPress. Next, select your virtual machine size, and I will leave at the default option, which is B1S, as it is sufficient for this demonstration. Now, let's scroll down and configure administrator account. For the authentication type, select the password. And now, you will need to enter username and password for administrator account creation. So, I will enter username as a WordPress admin and create a secure password. Ensure it meets Azure's validation constraints. So, I will enter my password. Then again confirm the password and click to the next to proceed the disk section. In the disk section, we will leave everything as it is. Default settings are sufficient. So let's scroll down and click to the next to move to our networking section. Once in the networking section, again we will leave everything as default because the inbound rules for HTTP port 80 will already be integrated. Now click to the review plus create, and it will take some time, so wait for it. Now scroll down and validate your configurations and then click to the create. After clicking create, it will start the deployment of your virtual machines. So wait for the deployment process to complete. It will take some time, so wait for it. As you can see over here, deployment is in progress. So wait for successfully deployment our virtual machine. It may take a few minutes. Now our virtual machine is successfully deployed. Once the virtual machine is successfully deployed, click to the go to resource to view the virtual machine's overview page. From the overview page, navigate to the networking setting on the left hand panel. And as you can see in the networking section, you will see the networking setting option. Now I will open it. Now I will scroll down to verify the inbound port rules, and you will see the HTTP protocol on port 80 is already configured, so we don't need to create our inbound rule for HTTP traffic. Then scroll up and go to our overview page and copy the public IP address of your virtual machine. Then open a new tab and paste over here and hit enter. Now I will click on the continue to site. Now you will see the sample WordPress page. confirming that the WordPress is pre-installed and ready to use. Finally, to save the Azure cost, let's move to our Azure portal and go back to all resources in the Azure portal. Now I will select all the resources related to these virtual machines like virtual machines, disks, network. So I will select the all and press to the delete. Now I will confirming by typing delete and press the delete button and again confirm delete. Now it will start deleting our resources, and that's it. You have successfully set up WordPress using the Bitnami package on Azure and clean up afterward to avoid unnecessary cost.